Hello there, Cancer sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. This is your reading for the month of January 2024. So, Cancer. Hindi lahat ng Cancer makaresonate sa reading na to, okay? So, takes what resonates and leave the rest. Cancer, cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Cancer sign. So, put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo makaresonate. Okay, if hindi kayo naka-resonate dito, Cancer, please do watch your other placement, your sun, your moon, your rising, your Venus sign. And pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate. Even if naka-resonate kayo, still do check your other placement, your sun, your moon, your rising, your Venus sign, dahil pwedeng mag-connect doon yung reading niyo. So, Cancer, let's start with your reading. Okay? Ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari this year 2024? Sorry about that. Ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari this year 2024? January sa love reading ninyo, sa love situation ninyo. Ay, nahulog siya agad. What's this? Cancer sign. Oh God. Feeling ko this January 2024 merong mga pagpipilian dito. Feeling ko you are in a relationship, Cancer, pero parang meron kang malalaman about your person this year 2024 na magkakaroon siya ng iba, hoping na hindi buntis to. Kasi Empress card is a card of pregnancy. So feeling ko this year 2024 January, itong person mo dadating sa point na merong kailangan pagpipilian between you and another person here. So, while you are in a relationship, while you are in a commitment with this person, happy kayo, okay kayo, pero meron ka pa ding intuition bilang water sign, okay, Cancer sign. Meron kang intuition here that there is something wrong. Dahil parang feeling mo, kahit gaano mo inaalagaan or ninyo inalagaan yung relasyon ninyo or yung pagsasama ninyo, parang feeling mo merong mali or merong hindi tama, merong something kang nararamdaman, and this makes you overthink. You know, this makes you feel stress sa kakaisip about this. Kasi meron talagang option. So, merong someone else here involved sa relationship ninyo. Parang feeling mo kasi hindi masaya kahit sabihin natin na nagpapakita siya ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Makakaramdam ka talaga this January na hindi masaya to. Parang meron akong dapat malaman. Parang merong something, you know. So, it's like you just need to follow your intuition here. Let's see more. Let's see more, Cancer sign. So, I can see that in your relationship this January 2024, itong person mo magkakaroon talaga siya ng confusion about both of you. There is really someone else involved here, and magkakaroon siya ng confusion, blindly fighting this time. Hindi niya alam kung sino yung paglalaban niya. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya, you know. I think parang andun sa point na nagiging practical ka lang talaga pero nagmamasid ka. And baka ito yung mangyayari this year 2024 as a Cancer sign. Cancer do love spying. You know, lalo na pag meron silang mararamdaman na something wrong, they really spy. So, parang andun sa point na meron ka atang hinihintay sa taong ito to prove something to you, pero hinihintay mo to at hindi nangyayari. And parang napapagod ka na, something like that. Pero you're still in a relationship. Nasa relasyon, nasa ano ka pa rin. And you might have a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius in your sign, on your placement, or Taurus or Libra, or this might be you, Cancer or a Capricorn. So nagiging nagiging practical ka lang talaga sa situation ninyo. Feeling ko andun sa point na hinihintay mo yung decision. You are waiting for this decision of this person. Okay. So, Cancer sign, I can sense in this reading, you are the Empress card here. Ikaw yung Empress. And this person, you are in a relationship, and this person also has another relationship. And you know about this. Alam mo to. And naghihintay ka dito kung kailan niya i-prove sa'yo na ikaw yung gusto niya at ikaw yung pipiliin niya. Kung kailan siya magdesisyon towards changes na talaga sa buhay niya na kasama ka. Ito yung hinihintay mo. Siguro ito yung pangako niya sa'yo na magsama na talaga kayong dalawa. So, andun din sa part na sobrang ino-overthink mo to, Cancer. Sobrang na-stress ka na dito. Sometimes nagkakaroon kayo ng on and off. Yeah, Cancer sign do really parang ano talaga yung Cancer. Minsan nawawala talaga sila. Minsan gusto nilang tumahimik na lang talaga muna. Minsan kung baga sa Facebook nagde-deactivate yan sila. Nagde-deactivate ng mawala muna talaga. Minsan ganito kayo, on and off. And feeling of parang wala din mangyayari to, pero parang hahantong din to sa separation. So, andun sa point na kahit pa itong, parang may mga promises itong person na to sa'yo na hindi niya natutupad. And to the point that you are being practical, waiting for this person to support you sa mga plano ninyo at to be there for you, to choose you one day na magiging kayong dalawa. So, pero yeah, there is already a clarity about someone from the past year. Alam mo to, and naghihintay ka na pipiliin ka. So, let's see kung ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari. Okay, this January 2024. Ano yung kailangan mong malaman? Ano yung kailangan mong malaman? Oh, so this is what you need to know, Cancer. Itong person mo is naiipit siya sa sitwasyon between you and the past. Bakit? Kasi nagkakaayos sila, nagkakabalikan, nagkakaroon sila ng second chance, and hindi mo to alam because being a practical person, parang hinahayaan mo lang, parang ino-observe mo lang, parang naghihintay ka lang, na kahit na may pagod na sa'yo, parang nagpapasensya ka pa din, and naghihintay, hindi ka gumagawa ng action. Pero honestly, itong person na to, natatrap na talaga siya, naiipit na siya, at nagkakaayos sila ng ex niya. This is someone from the past. So, this person is betraying you. But I can see here na parang unexpected din to pangyayari ng new beginning sa kanilang dalawa. Parang this person one day siguro parang nagkakaroon sa kanya ng realization, spiritual awakening, wake up call about being unfair na din sa sitwasyon nila. So tinago niya to sa'yo. hindi niya to sinabi sa'yo. Paminsan on and off kayong dalawa. So, while you are in an off situation, nagiging okay silang dalawa. So, this is what you need to know. You might also be dealing here with Gemini or Virgo sign. So, Cancer sign, what will be the positive outcome for this reading? January 2024. Positive outcome. January 2024. Positive outcome. Okay, so Cancer sign, I can see here magkakaroon talaga dito ng separation. I think that itong person na to, dadating yung sa point na hindi niya alam whether to you or to the past person siya patutungo. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya mag-move forward. Yung positive outcome dito is itong mga hindi niya sinasabi, ito yung mga kailangan mong malaman, magkakaroon to ng clarity sa'yo. Malalaman mo tong katotohanan na to, and ito yung magiging dahilan ng hiwalayan ninyong dalawa. Might be magkakaroon ng disappointment sa'yo sa pagbabalikan na meron sa kanila. So with this page of wands, I can see this is also a positive outcome for you. Might be somebody will going to tell you about this, or somebody, or might be this person will going to open up sa'yo about this, and parang through this magkakaroon ng liwanag sa'yo about the clarity na kaya pala parang naghihintay ako sa wala. So, I think you will going to end up into separation talaga. Yeah, I think siya yung mag-explain sa'yo sa katotohanan. So, medyo masakit to sa'yo kasi nadja-juggled na siya nung time pa na kayo pa. Minsan dito siya sa'yo, paminsan dito siya sa isa. Parang thinking about that, sobrang nasaktan ka. Parang meron ding regret sa'yo kung bakit mo pa pinasok tong sitwasyon na to, na wala ka ding napala. So, definitely may mga confrontation ng mangyayari. Bakit niya tinago sa'yo? Bakit sabi? Siguro yung sinabi niya sa'yo is hindi sila okay, wala na sila, pero meron siyang ganito, meron siyang ganyan, pero wala na sila. Then, tinago niya yung pag-ayos nilang dalawa. But at least yung positive outcome dito para sa'yo is nalaman mo yung totoo, or inopen up niya sa'yo yung totoo. So, the rest of the decision is na sa'yo. Pero ang nakita ko dito sa sitwasyon na to is meron talagang permanent separation na mangyayari. Cancer sign. So, I will going to pull an oracle card for this reading for you Cancer people. If naka-resonate kayo sa reading na to. Reaching your goals. Everything you want from this connection will manifest in the near future. So, Cancer sign, I can sense here that this is already what you manifest. Yung malaman mo yung katotohanan. And kasi everything you want from this connection will manifest in the near future, and this is in the near future yung clarity na malalaman mo. So it will really going to happen na magkakaroon to ng clarity sa'yo. And nakita ko yung separation talaga dito. Pero, it doesn't mean na nakita ko yung permanent separation dito is, yun din yun sa tingin mo na pwede mangyari. Anyway, this is already a guide for you guys, Cancer people. Nakadepende din sa inyo yan yung decision ninyo. This is a guide for you. So, if gusto nyo talaga makuha itong relationship na to, just reach your goals. Kung ito talaga yung goals ninyo, nakadepende yan sa inyo kung ano yung decision ang gagawin nyo. It's just, ito lang yung nakikita kong sitwasyon. Ito yung nakikita kong guide for you in the near future sa mga pwedeng mangyari. So, you can still fix this. You can still do something about this. That is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.